Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see solar power panel. So whether solar power panel is necessary for our home, we have to check before applying any loan or before applying any items or anything. We must check whether is it necessary for our home. How much it is effective for us. We have to check. Normally, this solar power panel is used for home as well as company for both. It is free energy. Government is regularly telling everybody to implement the solar power panel, and the government is giving subsidy for this because normally we are getting electricity from coal and water scarcity is also there. Water they are producing electricity 10 to 15 percentage, mainly coal, nuclear. They are producing 80 percentage of energy. These are on the non-renewable energies. They will be consumed. Renewable energies are like solar, wind, etc. They can be converted. They are free. They are pollution free. Everything. That's why government is implementing everybody to put a small solar power panel in your house and utilize it. So now we will see whether it is necessary for us, how much it is effective, what is the life of the solar power panel. When I put my money, when I will return it back, how much I can return it back. These are the calculation we can see. If you see solar power panel for individual home, we will be having a light, fan, iron box, TV, washing machine, AC, everything we will be having. Each will be consuming some power. What? For 1 hour for light, it will consume some power. So for light, 40 watts. Total there are 3 lights in a home. Fan, 50 watts. There are 3 fans in a home. Iron box one, it is running for 8 hours. It is running for 1 hour. TV 100 watts one, it is running for 6 hours. Washing machine 500 watts, it is running for 2 hours. AC, it is running for 4 hours. These are the calculation I have taken. So totally watts is 2470 watts it is consuming per day, and total running hours that I am using the equipments at my home is running 62 hours per day. So if you calculate this per month, so approximately 500 unit it will consume. For one unit, 4.69 rupees is the cost. In Tamil Nadu, 0 to 100 unit no charges. 100 to 200, if you see, 3.5 rupees. Not only in everybody, in I am speaking as a whole of India, and 200, 201 to 500, 4.6, 500 to above 500, 6.6 rupees. If you see industry, one unit is 6.59 rupees. It will be increasing, going on every year by year. So per month I am consuming 2445 rupees, and 12 months 28,140. For 5 years I am consuming 1,40,000. I am paying for 5 years. So I have to see what is my monthly EB bill. Normally, everybody will tell I am paying 500 or 800. Okay, but I have taken the average of these are because if you are having washing machine and AC, it will fetch more current. So I have taken a normal low. There will be a lot of people will be paying less to less also, more also. So average I have taken. So monthly to if you are having consuming 500 units per month, you will pay 2345. Within 5 years you will pay 1,40,000. For 1,40,000, I am telling to purchase the solar energy. The total equipment cost is 1.5 lakhs. For 25 years it will be valid. Maintenance free, it is 25 years. You have to choose a solar panel according to that company product you have to choose, and company itself, they will, if you purchase in company, they will itself make you to avail the subsidy. You will be getting 25% of subsidy, 25% of subsidy of total cost. Normally for home 1.5 lakhs, somebody will have 3 lakhs. So normal 2.47 watts, approximately 2.5 kilowatts we will be using it. So normally higher than this what we will be installing in our home. So normally 2.5 to 3.5 more. So it is your wish. In company exactly the double. So more than 5, more than 7 kilowatt. Normally in home we use a 12 volt panel, and company we use 24 volt panel. These panels are divided into mainly polycrystal and monocrystal panels. So in solar panel, if you see, it is considered divided as off grid panel. There will be no battery, power is generated, taken to grid, so we will be using it, extra will be paying to given to grid. Off grid panel, no battery backup will be there. On grid panel is there will be a battery backup which will consume some amount of energy for 5 hours or 8 hours. With hybrid panel, it will have both on and off, it will be having. So in solar panel, the main item is solar panel inverter. That is a inverter, solar inverter. In out, it will check how much per day it is energy is produced, how much given to the grid. In outs, that we will be having. Then earthing strips, electricity wire and all. These are the total simple system which we can install in our rooftop. If you see industry, more than 5 kilowatt or 7 kilowatt, because lot of machineries will be there, more genset will be there. So for genset, equivalent power production has to be there. According to the solar power panel will be laid. So bank can give loan up to 10 lakhs. So your margin money also 15% will be there. According to that, subsidy also will be getting. Rate of interest normally 9.5 to 10.5. Repayment per annum. Repayment will be 5. Within 5 years you have to repay the amount of you. If you have taken 10 lakhs loan amount, you have to pay within 5 years. But more the total is 10 lakhs. But for home, 1.5 to 3 is enough that you can have correctly, the usage is correct. Because if you are if you are producing extra energy, putting more solar power panel and putting more energy, there is no use for you. So what is a correct consumption in your home? According to that, your panel has to be put little bit higher than that of your energy consumptions. Normally, if you see, daily 6 hours is being charged, so it is connected to solar grid and battery. For initially, because why there is 3 connection for AC, initially 2500 it will start. First, initially it will start with more energy. After that, it will stand by its own energy. So if you have a grid connection, solar grid battery, it will be safe for you for your AC main. Other than the AC, other things will be consuming very less wattage only. So total life is total 25 years. You will pay your amount. Your amount will be, you will be getting your amount within 5 to 7 years, and it is maintenance free. If you want to exactly calculate what is the kilowatts consumed, how many hours, number of items you have installed, like fan, AC, washing machine, grinder, then mixie, everything. Exactly, if you want to calculate, you can calculate a geyser or a heater. How much you can calculate by this formula: kilowatt equal to watt in the hour into number of appliances divided by 1000 watts. So my simple suggestion is that go for this renewable energy solar, because once you install at your home, you will be getting continuous supply. Because so coming this summer is also coming, we don't know how the electricity consumption will be there. So if they 1 hour power cut or 2 hour power cut and all will may or may not be there, we don't know. But anyhow, this solar power panel, if you install at your home, you will get continuous power supply. So if you see this, if you in company, in your company or in your workplace also, this can be implemented, because energy saving is a main thing. Because we are getting coal from Australia or Indonesia, this and all, and now that coal also coming very less, and it is also pollutant one. So when you are going for renewable energy like this solar and wind, will be getting that our generation will be safe. It's my best suggestion. You check first, because for whether if it is not necessary and I am using it, it's not a correct thing. Whether how much what I am consuming, how much I am paying to EB monthly per year, how much I am paying 5 years, if I am paying, when I will get this money amount back. If you see everything and if you are getting correctly, then you go for installation, you go for good material, because lot of solar power panels are there. So rate will be normally one power panel 12 watts power panel 2.5 kilowatt, it will be 2500 to 2800. But if you pay, let's suppose Adani, Tata and all, they are having some most good quality and all. So if you go for that also, you have to check yourself which is good. You have to review it and you install it to your home and make use of it and give and comments your suggestion. Thank you.